Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Khadijah and I'm back again with the second video for my food reviews assignment under the topic Keropok Lekor, which is a very significant snack from my beloved state. First, we will start with the overview. Keropok Lekor is a Malaysian snack and a specialty of the Terengganu region. It is a fish snack that is rolled and usually eaten with some sweet chili sauce. In order to prepare it, a few types of fishes are combined with flour, and the combination is formed into long, sausage-like shapes, which are then boiled or fried before being served hot with its dipping sauce. Next, the history of Keropok Lekor. Originating from the state of Terengganu in Malaysia, this East Coast state is home to the fishing industry, as it is located strategically by the South China Sea. The origins of Keropok Lekor began over 30 until 40 years ago when fishermen returning back from the seas, they would come home with an overabundance of fish caught during their regular fishing trips. The excess of fish led many of the villagers living near the beach to create a new snack which is now known as Keropok Lekor. So, when it was first made, the Keropok Lekor had no name at all. However, the people came up with an idea for the snack's name because of how it was made. The main ingredients for Keropok Lekor consist of fish and flour, which then seasoned with sugar and salt. The ingredients were then mixed and kneaded together before being smacked, causing it to make a kelepok sound. Over time, the kelepok sounded more and more like keropok, which then became the basis for the snack's name. For the lekor part, it comes from the word lingkar, but when spoken in Terengganu accent, we pronounce it as lekor. In English, lingkar means a circle, or when talking about an action, to roll. Thus, this is how Keropok Lekor gets its name, which came fully from how it's made and how it looks like. Moving on to the next part, Keropok Lekor is made from fish and sago flour, which then seasoned with salt and sugar. So, for the first step, the fish is cleaned before removing its intestines and chopping off its head and tail. After that, make slits along both sides of the fish before scraping off the meat to discard the bones. Next, the fish meat must be pounded, chopped or minced finely, and not to forget to add some salt to taste. Some ice cubes must be added too in the process. For the next step, add sago flour and water, then stir the mixture until it becomes a soft dough. After that, dip your hand in the sago flour and roll the dough into a cylindrical shape. This is an important step to make sure the dough can be rolled beautifully and not sticking to our fingers. Next, boil a pot full of water together with 1 or 2 knotted pandan leaves. Then, drop the Keropok Lekor into the boiling water. When the Keropok Lekor floats, scoop it out and set aside to cool. Lastly, cut the pieces diagonally into thin slices and the Keropok Lekor is ready to eat with homemade chili sauce, or we can deep fry it in hot oil first to get a crunchy texture. Keropok Lekor is one of my favorite snacks and I love eating it every day when I'm home because it is very difficult to get the authentic one here in campus. So that's all for my second food review about Keropok Lekor. See you later in my next video.